you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So look what finally made its way. Magic at your door for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I should have received this last Monday, but it went stalemate and like MIA for an entire week, and now here it is. I'm so glad because the box does not look like it was damaged. The last time I had a box that went MIA for a week was a mess. So at least this looks like nothing's wrong with it. It just maybe just got forgotten. I don't know how. It's a big old box. But let's go ahead and see what we have in July's box. Better late than never, and I'm super excited because I just love this box and it just brings me so much joy. So no matter what is going on, this box just cheers me up. So let's go ahead and get in here. It is super cute this time with this right there, and no, not like it's always cute. It is, and it says SheCrafty because you get to put they print your name on there. So let's go ahead and get in and see what is in here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I've had to wait. Now I don't have to wait. We get to see now. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, so once we open it, there is the paper right on top, filled with a whole lot of little squigglies. So that's what the presentation looks like when you open up the box. And I have some stuff down inside. Let me go ahead and remove all of this good stuff, which I do keep, because anytime I send out giveaways or I send out packages or gift baskets or anything like that, this is really good to keep. So I always keep the good stuff inside the boxes. So hold on. Okay guys, so now that I've removed everything from the box, it makes it easier to get into the items. On this little paper right here though, it does say, we hope that you love these magical Disney surprises that were selected specifically for you. And if you don't know, Magic at Your Door has the best profile. So you fill out everything and answer a bunch of questions, and they tailor the box specifically for you with the wish list that they have as well. So you can mark the ones that you would really like, and they go off of all those factors when they curate your box, which is amazing. And it says, be sure to explore every nook and cranny of your box, including the inside of each item. You never know where more Disney magic will be hiding. So in some of the backpacks and stuff like that, they'll even put stuff inside of the actual bag. So check everything, because you never know when there's going to be something hidden inside. You can shop directly from their website as well. So they do sell individual items on their site as well if you don't want to go to a complete subscription box just yet. But they also have one-time boxes and mystery boxes. They have so much, and I'm loving this company, you guys. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So the first item right on top is going to be this. I know there's not going to be anything hidden inside because it's completely sealed. This one. This is a chip backpack, which is so cute, you guys. It says $39.99 on the package, but here's the little front zipper. And it has the pattern goes all the way down there as well. It has a little handle. The back of it is the complete pattern. And then when you open it up, this is so cute. I love the colors too. So then it does have like one thing here for you to slide down, like a folder or a laptop, that kind of thing. And then it's all open inside. So that is the cutest backpack. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So I have the cutest backpack right there. Oh, I love that. And again, that's valued at $39.99. Okay, so then we have this right here, 20 5x7-inch note cards and 2 each of 10 design envelopes. So this is like a greeting card set, and I did put this on my wish list, and it looks way bigger than I thought. And I love the fact that I can just set it out and look like a normal book. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna remove it so you can get the plastic off, but it looks like that's what the cards are gonna look like inside. Oh my goodness, where's my knife? There you are. So let me get this opened. I'm so glad I put this on my wish list, you guys. And I wasn't sure. I was like, oh, greeting cards, huh? Okay. But look at how cute is that? Beauty and the Beast. And you can use some magnetic closure. So you can use this box for anything. And here are little Oh, these are gonna be just like, ha ha ha. Let me just tell you, I had one of my gorgeous, wonderful, longtime subscribers send me some note cards. She's like, I have some Jack cards. And I was like, oh, okay. I was thinking like playing cards, to be quite honest. And when I got them, they were greeting cards. They were blank inside, but they were all Jack. And there was 10 different designs and I got one of each. She sent me all 10 of them. And it did have these stickers with it. And she said the box it came with was like a coffin shape, but she ended up using that, which I'm totally fine with. I'm just glad that I got the cards, and I'll show you guys right here what I did with them. So I have this little tiny bit of wall in the kitchen from the opening that goes into the living room where we have the turtle tank. And when I got the cards, I held it up there. I'm like, okay, I'm getting frames. So I bought those frames and I hung up all 10 of them up there, and I love it. So that's kind of like the same concept then, because they had the same stickers inside. But I didn't have the box, but that's okay. I wanted them hung up anyways. So here we have is all of the envelopes are the same. So then there's, okay, now I get it. So there's 20 cards, 2 designs for each. So, oh my God, that is so pretty. So here's the first design. And then it does go over some information on the back. And then the inside is probably going to be all blank. Yes, it's all blank. So I'll probably maybe send one of each, and then I'm gonna keep one of each. So here's another one. How cool, it's like a sketch. This one is really pretty too. So there's a few more to show you. That's really cool, I like that one. There's that. And again, there's 2 of each design. This is so cool. I might have to see if they had other ones. Oh, that's the same one, sorry. Getting a little excited over here. I might have to see if they have other ones just so I can keep them all with the books and just collect them. Even if I don't use the cards, I could just keep these all together and collect them in these books. That is awesome. I love this. And this says $25 on the bottom. Now we have is a Disney Showcase collection, and this is $70. And it's a mermaid. Woohoo! I love some mermaid. And I was actually really hoping that I got this one. I think there was a few different ones I had on my wish list, but I was really hoping to get this one because it lights up. So let's get this gorgeous thing out. Ooh, and it's bigger than I was thinking it was going to be, which is good. I was just for some reason thinking it was going to be a little smaller. How beautiful. This is like the same design or style like the ones that I have from Beauty and the Beast. So these are gonna be so cute sitting next to each other because then they're gonna match even though they're a different movie. And then I just gotta put the batteries down here and I can turn it on and then this will light up. This right here will light up. Look how pretty though, you guys. That is gorgeous. Okay, so then there's that. I'm so excited about that. And then we have the Disney pin, which is down in here because I get the gold box. So the gold box does get an exclusive gold pin. There's a paper in here. So it says July 2020 National Ice Cream Month. That's why there's the ice cream on my box. I'm like, is it somebody's birthday? National Ice Cream Month. From your friends at Magic at your door. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do. And your July fantasy pin will arrive soon. Our sincere apologies, but the July fantasy pins has been delayed and it will be included in your next month's box. They did put one pin in here, which is really cute. Even though it's not the pin that comes in here, they did put a pin down inside. So here is a Disney pin that I get to add to my Disney pin board, frame, shadow box, whatever you want to call that thing that I made. So that is really cute that I get to add another one to my board. And from this little reference guide, it shows that the silver color code at the parks is valued at $9.95. So it says silver down there on the bottom. So this would be $9.95. And I'll be getting this pin right here next month. So National Ice Cream Month. That's why there's the ice cream and it looked like a birthday theme. I get it now. So going over this again, we have this pin. We'll have the other pin next month since it was delayed. Totally fine. We have this gorgeous piece right here, which I'm totally loving. I am really loving this note card set and the most adorable little backpack right here. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that I received? Again, it's all based on your survey, your wish list, and everything. That's why I did try out a few other Disney ones, and I'm only sticking with Magic at Your Door. Hands down, to me, with the experience, the products, everything down to the profile, everything is just the best, top notch in my own opinion. So that's why I'm only going to be bringing Magic at Your Door to my channel for now, because this is just the one that I think makes more sense. And this is the only one that I want to bring because I love it. I love the experience. I love how they create their boxes, and it's just amazing. So there you go. So again, comment down below. Let me know if you want to know a little bit more about Magic at Your Door, since they do have different options. You can purchase individual options. You can purchase one-time boxes, theme boxes, that kind of thing. But if you want to know the different levels, mine is the gold level. This is $124.99. They have a silver, which is $99.99. Then they have the bronze, which is $74.99. They have the one-time magical AF box. That's what I started with. That was $299, and that was amazing, and it was fully customizable. It was amazing. Oh my gosh. Then they have the one-time magic box, which is $199. You can customize that one as well. And then they also have Disney mystery boxes for $49.99, but those you cannot customize. They are just set $49.99 for that box you can get. You can follow the link down below, and that link will give you $10 off any gold, silver, bronze, or one time, or the Magic AF box. It just does not work for the non-customizable Disney mystery box at $49, but everything else will take $10 off if you follow the link down below. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of everything that I received? I just love this box and the company, you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.